Now this is the continuation of the workbook solution. Last we completed till question number I. So today we'll start from question number J, and that's page number 149, the Ratna Sagar book. So you just listen to this explanation carefully, and if possible write these things down. J. A gentle scold, fair lady, by your leave, I come by note to give and to receive, like one of two contending in a prize, that thinks he has done well in people's eyes, hearing applause and universal shout. Giddy in spirit, still gazing in doubt, whether those peals of praise be his or no. So thrice fair lady, stand I, even so, as doubtful whether I see be true, until confirmed, signed, ratified by you. Now question is, who is the speaker here? Bassanio is the speaker here. Where did he find the gentle scold? He did find the gentle scold inside the leaden casket. Briefly write what is written in the scold. It is written that, being a valid candidate, Bassanio deserves Portia. Furthermore, he should not choose anything new, instead stand there and hold the hand of Portia. So the scroll ultimately allows Bassanio to have the entered authority over Portia and her wealth. Next, that is question number, just a minute, 2. What does Bassanio mean when he says, I come by note to give and to receive? Come by note means come by the scroll that he received inside the leaden casket. That is the note. So he has not been claiming the hands of Portia out of no reason. He is authenticated, justified by Portia's father's note that is kept inside the leaden casket. And to give and to receive means to give his heart to Portia and to take or receive Portia's heart. That means the exchange of heart. Next we'll come to page number 153. How does Bassanio describe his feelings at this point of time? At the point of time, Bassanio feels heavenly. He was in such condition that it was hard for him to believe that he has really done well. It feels like he is in subconscious mind, he is in dream, and what happened just before was very hard for him to believe. So that is his feelings. Next, explain. Contending in priest, greedy in spirit. Contending in prize means A. Bassanio has taken part in the game of casket, where many others also have taken part. So it seems like Bassanio has taken part in a game where a prize is also allotted. So he has taken part, he is contending in a game and he has won the prize. The prize means Portia. Giddy in spirit. Giddy in spirit means his physical and mental strength is no more strong. It is going weaker and weaker. It is hard for him to believe that he has really done well. He has really won the hands of Portia. Next, Bassanio is doubtful of his victory and wants Portia to confirm it. What does this say to you about his character? It says that Bassanio lacks confidence. Beforehand also we have seen he suffered in business. And furthermore, he was helped. He did not expect that he would win the hands of Portia before coming to Belmont. So we can expect that he was not at all confident before coming to Belmont that he would win the hands of Portia. So it is showing that he is a man without confidence, and further he is a man who does not believe in himself. Question number K. Portia, myself and what is mine to you and yours is now converted. But now I was the lord of this fair mansion, master of my servants, queen over myself, and even now. But now this house, this servant, and this same myself are yours. My lord, I give them with this ring, which when you part from, lose, or give away, let it presage the ruin of your love, and be my vantage to exclaim on you. So that is question number K. So let us go to page number 151 to have the questions. First question. To whom does Portia transfer all his possession? Portia has transferred all her possession to Bassanio. For whom does she, with wish that she had been 10,000 times richer? For Bassanio. For Bassanio, now she is 10,000 times richer. She was obviously rich, but having Bassanio with her made her 10,000 times richer, made her 10,000 times more beautiful. In the previous line, what Portia compared this person to, and what does she compare to herself? In the previous lines, so we have to check those previous lines. Just a minute. We have to check those what is written in previous line. Just a minute. He compared Bassanio to the master of the house and herself as a servant of his. Next. With what message does Portia give the ring to person? What does the person say to assure her? While handing over the ring to poor Bassanio, she made her keep a promise that whenever he will give it to someone or lose it or it be stolen, then Bassanio will not have any authority to claim his authority over Portia. Bassanio said that at any cost he will not lose that, and if it get lost, or if it is stolen, or if it goes out of his finger, that symbolizes his death. That means at any cost he will not lose that one. Now question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 4. Explain passage the ruin of your love. That means that will make the way clear of your love. That means that will destroy your love. What will destroy Bassanio's love? If Bassanio loses the ring, that will destroy Bassanio's love. My vantage to exclaim on you. Then Portia will be liable enough. Portia will have the authority to blame Bassanio in case Bassanio loses the ring. What makes Bassanio part with the ring? How does he get it back? Later on, Antonio will fall into deep trouble. His flesh, a pound of flesh, is going to be cut off from his chest by Shylock. And that time, Portia, in disguise of Balthazar, will save Antonio. And as her fee, she would demand that ring from Bassanio. And Bassanio had to give that one to Portia. And that would further lead to Act 5, Scene 1, the ring scene. How does he get it back? In Act 5, Scene 1, by revealing the secret to Portia, and Portia further revealed the secret to Bassanio, and Bassanio got his lost ring back. Page number 152. Gratiano speech. My eyes, my lord, can look as swift as yours. You saw mistress, I beheld the mate. You loved, I loved. For intermission no more pertains to me, my lord, than you. Your fortune stood upon the casket there, and so did mine too, as the matter falls. For wing here until I sweat again, and swearing till my very roof was dry, with oaths of love at last. If promise love last, I got a promise of this fair one here to have her love. Gratiano's speech. Who is the mistress and who is the maid? Portia is the mistress and Nerissa is the maid. Who is my lord? Bassanio is mentioned as my lord here. Why are they together? They have come to Belmont since Bassanio wants to play the game of casket. So they are together. What trait did Gratiano mention? Trait means characteristic, had been common to both himself and his lord. Now the common thing is that Bassanio is a lovebird. After coming to Belmont, he immediately convinced Portia, and Portia fell in love with him. Gratiano did not make any delay. He also made Nerissa fall in love with him. So this is the case, both are same. In case of love, both are very fast and swift. They do not delay. How did Gratiano's fortune to depend upon the casket? Since Bassanio's triumph in game of casket was very important. If he would fail, then they had to leave the palace of Belmont. And if Bassanio would not marry Portia, that was impossible for Gratiano to marry Nerissa. So, marriage of both these two men entirely depend on the game of casket. That is why it is mentioned, it depends on the casket. Gratiano's fortune depends on the casket. In case Bassanio wins, he would get Nerissa. If he does not win, he would not get Nerissa. Now we have to go to page number 153. How did Gratiano court the maid? Court the maid as a fair one, as a beautiful one. Court means valued the maid as a fair one or a beautiful one. What promise did he finally receive? Finally he received the fair promise, the correct promise. That Nerissa also accepted that she was also in love with Gratiano and she was all ready to marry him. Next question. For wooing here until I swear again and swearing till my very roof was dry. Does this remind you of something Gratiano had promised in Act 2, Scene 2? What had he promised? He promised that often he would take the religious book, the Bible, out of his pocket and read it in order to prove that he is a gentleman. Does he keep it? Yes, he has kept it. Loving someone in Belmont is really a matter of hard work, a laborious job. There is game of casket. There are so many contenders, competitors. But he has somehow got his love. And he mentioned he kept his promise. How did he keep his promise? He kept his promise by swearing again and again that he mentioned in Act 2, Scene 2 in front of Bassanio. That in the last part of that scene, that whenever possible, he would swear by the name of God. So these are the 3 questions we have discussed today. Kindly go through this. Till now, I have not received a single homework. Try to write by your own and send these things to me. Thank you very much. Go through the video if needed again, because a single view would not allow or help you to understand the thing properly. If needed, watch twice. Thank you very much.